What are the essential dashboard warning indicator lights in the 2024 BMW X6, and how can drivers interpret them to ensure safe and efficient vehicle operation? How does the cluster guide enhance the driving experience by providing critical information about the car's performance and potential issues? If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Door controls manage the locking, unlocking, and adjustment of vehicle doors for convenience and safety. The steering wheel is the primary control interface that allows a driver to direct and maneuver a vehicle.
Instrument cluster,
cluster indicators, steering and lane control assistant, brake system, parking brake, risk of collision, pedestrian warning, forward collision warning, vehicle detected from left, seatbelt reminder, airbag system, dynamic stability control, anti-lock braking system, dynamic traction control activated, tire pressure monitor, engine warning light, steering system, collision warning switched off, rear fog light, lane departure warning, collision warning restricted or failed, high beam headlights, turn signal, side lights, low beam headlights, automatic high beam assistant, lane departure warning, automatic hold, manual speed limiter, cruise control, active cruise control with distance control, speed limit assistant activated, speed limit assist, lane change assistant in progress, lane change assistant not possible, lane change assistant functional requirements not met, assisted driving mode plus, lane change warning restricted, lane change warning switched off. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.